This video demonstrates how to configure visualization screens in the Enforcer Smart Manufacturing software. In this example, we will be defining a dashboard that presents 4 different views of a multi-station process. To begin the screen configuration, select Viz Screen from the main menu bar, then select Viz Screen Setup. Pick the Select box in the top left corner to select an existing screen. Click on the plus sign to add a new screen. Type in the new screen name and the optional bilingual name. Select the setting box to reconfigure the granularity and aspect ratio. Select the first screen component from the list on the left and drag it to the desired position. Click on the corner of the icon and resize the component. Hover over the icon and select the config symbol to define the data to be displayed. The first image is a pie chart that shows the percentage of process time spent at each station. Select the settings bar to define the details of the chart or table. Once all of the data selection and chart definition is complete, return to the configuration screen. The second item is a table that shows critical results values from each station. This is an interactive table that allows station selection and data sorting. The third element is a line graph of the product dwell times at each station. Once the data and the graph details are defined, the filter feature can be used to focus on a specific data set. In this example, we are using the feature to only display data from successfully completed operations. The fourth item is a distribution chart that shows RPM results measured during a test. The chart displays a distribution chart and a scatter plot. Once all of the screen components have been defined, click on the Save button and store the screen. Click on the Go to Screen button at the top of the page to preview the layout of all the defined elements. To leave the preview, click on the back arrow in the bottom left corner of the screen. If you click on the chart icon in the corner of the chart, you can view the individual results and download the complete data set for analysis in Excel. This video's speed was accelerated for brevity, but the total time required to create this visualization screen was less than 10 minutes.